Hello everyone, happy Navratri from Makeup Simplified. Today I'm going to create a look specifically for Garba. It's the festive season and that's why we're going to add some bling to our look. Continue watching till the end for the final look. I have primed my lids using the Nyx HD Photogenic eyeshadow base and I'm applying highlighter right under my brow. For the crease, I will use shade West Side from the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette. I'm going to define the crease using the Morphe E17 Crease Precision Blending Brush. Go all the way to the inner corner of the crease with the color. Keep blending. Now I'm going to use the same brush and apply shade Coppering by MAC, or you can use any copper shade with a little orangey pink tones to it. I'm going to nicely blend it in the outer corner of the eye and draw it slightly inwards as well. You can bring it all the way to the middle of the eyelids. Don't worry about the fallout as we are going to wipe it off later, or you can also use an eyeshadow shield so the fallout does not stick to your skin. I will pack more color and then blend it again. I will also pull the color towards my temples to get a nice shape. And anything excess can be wiped off with a Q-tip and moisturizer. Now I'm applying NYX Glitter Primer on half the eyelid. I'm applying shade Prima Drama from the same palette, and the glitter primer helps the glitter to stay put for a long time so it does not budge. For the inner corner, I'm going to use a flat brush to apply the same glitter. Using a fluffy blending brush and shade Side to Side, I'm going to blend the outer edges of the glitter and blend it with the outer corner of the shadow. This step is very important because you don't want any harsh lines near your glitter. Using a large blending brush, I'm blending all the edges to make it seamless. I'm packing more color in the outer V so it becomes more vibrant and then blending it again till I'm satisfied with my blend. I go back and forth with the precision blending brush and the fluffy blending brush. And keep blending. Using shade Nylon by MAC, I highlight the inner corners of my eyes. You can use any highlighter here as well. For the lower lash line, you can use any angled brush, and I'm using the same shade Coppering on the outside. I will blend it using a small tapered blending brush, which I've used before. On the inner corner, I use the shade Nylon again, and I blend it all together. I'm using the Colossal Kajal by Maybelline on the upper and lower waterline for definition. Now I will use my favorite Tarteist Double Take eyeliner in black and draw a very thin winged eyeliner. I want the focus to be on my glitter, hence the thin eyeliner. Let's put some mascara on now. I'm using my another favorite L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Using the rolling motion, I will fan out the outer lashes to get a very wide-eyed look. Don't forget the lashes near the inner corner as well, and also apply a coat on the lower lashes. Follow this with a moisturizer and primer of your choice. I have used the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. To cover any hyperpigmentation, I'm going to use a color corrector in the shade Peach. The one I'm using is by Bobbi Brown. I'm applying it under my eyes, and I'm also going to apply it around my mouth. Then I'm using a concealer by Laura Mercier in shade 3W under my eyes and around my mouth. This is a very hydrating concealer and feels very lightweight, which is what I'm looking for when I'm going to be dancing the whole night. I'm going to be blending it using a concealer brush. I'm going to set it with Bare Minerals Hydrating Veil Setting Powder. We don't want the concealer to budge now, do we? Now some concealer on my forehead, bridge of the nose, tip of my nose, the Cupid's bow, and the chin. And let's blend it now. Now to get some inner glow, I have applied the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator on the high points of my cheeks, nose, between my brows. I'm also using the Bare Minerals Tinted Gel Cream in Ginger. And I'm going to blend it all together. I use the same Bare Minerals setting powder to set everything in place. I'm going to use my bronzer again to contour. You can use any bronzer of your choice. The one I'm using is by Hoola Matte Bronzer. And blend it upwards. I like to go back and forth between the two sides to keep it nice and equal. You can also use it on your forehead to give some definition. And then under the jaw to give a nice jawline. And keep blending it. Now I use the same concealer to add more definition to my contour. Always blend it again. Now let's add some color to our cheek. For the blush today, I will be using the Milani Baked Blush in shade Dolce Pink. This blush has some highlight in it, so if you have any large pores or textures, it's going to make it more obvious. So if you do have large pores or texture, use a matte blush. But make sure you blend the blush really, really, really well. Going next to the highlighter, using a fan brush, I will apply Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in shade Rodeo Drive. And again, blend it with a large fluffy brush. Same between your eyes and tip of your nose to get that glow. I'm going to line my lips with a berry colored lip liner. This is the one by Bare Minerals in shade Genius. And I'm going to follow it with my current favorite berry lip color by Sephora in the shade Sweet Raspberry. Now it's very pigmented, so I'm going to be blending it using a lip brush, or you can use your fingertips as well. Since you're going to be dancing your way through the night, setting the makeup using a spray is a must. The Urban Decay All Nighter is perfect for this job. So this is my final look with some oxidized jewelry, Mang Tikka, and some Ghungroo Kangan. Let me know in the comments below what you think of my final look. Like this video and remember to share it on social media. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon for more such videos.